Hello everyone, thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. Today we are going to be washing and maintaining our lace frontal wigs. Let's get started. I am going to be using this clear container I purchased from Dollar Tree, my wide tooth comb, my favorite pink paddle brush, you guys know I love this brush, and of course the wig. As you can see in the front area of the lace, it's matted with a lot of glue and a lot of makeup and a lot of product. And the hair is also very matted and tangled with a lot of mousse and product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to detangle my hair prior to washing, just to avoid as much shedding as possible. When the hair is wet, it's weaker and it can rip and break apart. So I'm going to lightly detangle from the bottom ends to the top part of the wig. Also purchased from Dollar Tree, I'm going to be using my favorite White Rain coconut shampoo. Oh my god, you guys, this smells so good when the hair is dry. What I'm going to do is just add a heavy amount and saturate the top of my lace where my glue is. This way I can really get my glue to loosen out of my lace. I'm going to scrub it together like we're in the West Indies, and we're going to get that glue out. A lot of people like to use toothbrushes, but personally I don't have time for that. I can just scrub it out. I know how to get a stain out of clothes. I can get this glue out of my lace. Now that I've completed my first application of shampoo, going with warm water, I'm going to lightly flip and rotate my wig inside of the water and the shampoo. You want to do this as gently as possible because you do not want to tangle your wig. Doing this process allows you to tumble around your wig to get the excess dirt out without creating a matted situation. As you can see, as I'm lifting up the hair and spinning the water around, you can already see that water start to get brown. You can see it just cleansing itself. So now I'm going to let the wig sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to come back in and do the second wash. After letting that shampoo sit on the hair, for my second wash, I'm going to go in, repeat the process, and now I'm going to go in on the inside of my lace. You guys, you cannot forget your wig cap. We sweat in our heads, so you have to make sure that you go in and wash the inner cap of your lace and get all of the dirt out. You ever walk past a female and her wig stinks? Yeah, it's because she's not washing inside of her wig cap. So you want to go in and you want to get all areas of your wig. Right now, I'm just literally washing all the suds out. The more you wash and rinse your hair in cleaner water, all the dirt is going to come out. It's like a washing machine. We're basically just doing it with our hands. So now I'm up to our final wash, which is wash number 3, and I'm going to go in and I'm just going to repeat the process all throughout the hair. Make sure I'm getting the top of the wig, the ends, just really going in thoroughly. Look at my lace, you guys. After scrubbing out that lace together, as you can see, all the product has lifted after sitting in water. I have this little spot right here that I need to just add a little more shampoo, that's no problem, and just get to scrubbing, and it's going to get the glue right out of your lace. It may seem like I'm being rough because the video is being fast forward, but I'm actually being very gentle when it comes to the lace. You do not want to rip it as well. Washing your wig is literally like washing like your panties or your clothes by hand. It's like the same process, but you just got to be a little more gentle, and it just takes a longer process because it is hair. So now that my hair is fully clean, I've gotten all the soap out, I'm going to go in with my conditioner matching the White Rain coconut shampoo, and I'm going to be very generous with my conditioner. I'm going to add even half this bottle if I need to, okay? Conditioner is very important because the shampoo has dried out the hair. There's no oils left in the hair. So now we need the conditioner to bring back some moisture in order for us to detangle the hair with as least damage as possible. So I'm going in the ends, I'm going in the top part, and I'm really getting that conditioner in the hair. As you can see, I've left a little bit of water in my container because conditioner gets a lot of help and aid from water. So if you add just a little bit of water in your hair process while you're conditioning it, it's going to be a lot easier to detangle and maintain and comb through. I'm not playing with this conditioner. You guys see me. I'm still going. So now I'm going to detangle my hair starting from the ends to the top. This is very important, you guys. I mentioned it earlier in the video that I start from the bottom ends, and this is to prevent as much shedding as possible. Have you ever detangled your wig after washing it and you feel like the top part is fuller than the bottom? Yeah, that's because you're detangling your hair from the top part and you're pulling and breaking the hair follicles midway or from the top of the scalp. So we don't want bald laces and we don't want bald wigs. So right now I'm being very gentle. Even though you see me moving rapidly in the video, I'm being gentle because I am at the top of my wig, which is my lace area, and I want to make sure that I do not damage the wig. Take your time, you guys. When you're washing your wig, take your time. You want it to be clean. You want it to be functioning. You don't want it to shed. You don't want it to rip apart. And as you can see, this lace is transforming. It started to be a knotted, matted wig, and now I can literally brush through every hair follicle on this wig. It's just coming out amazing. It feels even better in person. And just going from a matted, dirty wig to something that's clean. Look, my lace looks transparent compared to that mess that you saw before. And I'm just brushing through the hair, making sure that I've gotten every knot out, that it's not tangled or mangled. And when I know that I'm finished with the process is when I get my wide tooth comb and I just comb straight through. Look at that. Look at that. No issues. Yes, that is the process. So now I'm going to add just a little bit more conditioner and I'm going to let my wig sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out. Now that my wig have sat for about 15 minutes, I'm going to rinse all the conditioner out the hair. When you're rinsing the conditioner out, you want to use your comb to guide the hair to maintain the fact that it's detangled. Sometimes you'll put conditioner in and then you'll go in and wash your hair and it'll tangle right back up. If you use the comb now along with the water and the conditioner that you're washing out, you're going to make sure that you maintain the detangling process. Look at that, guys. Look how my lace is clean. Look how the hair just feels very just flowy and silky and luxurious. This is the process that we want. We want a nice clean lace wig without damage. And you guys, you want to make sure that you get all that conditioner, all that shampoo out the hair. You do not want product in your hair. In order for your hair to be flowy and when you curl it, for it to not be like that sticky, stiff mess, you want your hair to be clean. So run it under water until that water is clean. And then I'm just going to drip, drain, dry it, if that's even a phrase. And look, you guys, it smells good, it feels clean, it looks clean. Yes, now it's time to pat dry your hair using a paper towel or a towel. And I'm going to bring out my foam mannequin head. This is my go-to mannequin head. It's easy for the hair to dry on because it's foam and it's not made of fabric, so it's going to dry pretty quickly. I'm going to use my T-pins and I'm going to place them at the corner sideburns of each of the wig. And then I'm going to place one right in the center at the top and right in the nape at the back area. You can use as many T-pins as you would like, but this ensures as much security for me. See how sturdy that is? Now, using a bottle spray that I got from Dollar Tree, this is a concoction that I like to use, which is any oil. This is perfection oil, but you can use Dollar Tree oil, hair oil from anywhere. I'm going to use that in my mixing bottle along with some water that I pre-filled, and I'm just going to shake that right up. This is a hair oil that I create, a mist for my wig, just so that I can get moisturization in all my follicles while the hair is wet. I don't want to go in and use heavy oil directly on the hair, so mixing it with water while it's wet just ensures that once you comb it through, all the oil is just getting in all the hair and it's going to dry with a nice light sheen to it. So I'm just going to go in and spray that all over the hair. It smells really good as well. And it just makes the hair super, super, super soft. I suggest doing this every time you wash your wig so that you're not dealing with dry hair after it's dry. Who wants to do that? Now, using my tail comb and some mousse, I'm just going to lay the top of my wig down so that it's easy to apply and I don't have hair flying everywhere. So I'm just going to take a small amount, pass it right over the top of my hair, smooth all of that down. Make sure that baby is laid. And I usually like to part it down the middle or straight back because I don't know what style I'm going to do next. And look, the hair is tangle free. It's nice and loose. It's clean. It's laid. Yes, and you guys, this is a simple and quick, easy way. It took me about 10 minutes. 10 minutes to wash this hair. It came out so good. Yeah, you guys, so this was my tutorial on how to wash and clean and maintain your wigs. I like to air dry my hair because it just comes out fuller. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. XOXO. Love you.